Hi everyone, in today's video I will be sharing the super easy crochet headband pattern. There are two different designs to choose from, and I'll also show you how to make your own design. These headbands take no longer than 20 minutes to make, are super easy to put on, and are the perfect touch to any outfit, and you can make them in any color you like. So let's get started. The first design is a cute stitch called the lemon peel stitch. The second design uses a stitch called the granite stitch, which is also known as the moss stitch or weaver stitch. Let's get into what you'll need for this crochet project. The first thing you'll need is worsted weight yarn in any color. I'm using purple. You'll also need a 4.5 mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle for sewing in ends. Start off with 5 chain stitches. Then in a second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch, make a double crochet. You're going to repeat that one more time, so single crochet and double crochet. And that's it for the first round. We're going to repeat that same round for around 60 rows. So chain 1, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. Keep adding rows until you reach 60 rows, or until it's the length that you want it to be. The headband should fit right above your ears. Continue to measure it with your head as you crochet so that it fits. Then we're going to do 2 decreases across the 4 stitches. So decrease, and another decrease, and you should have 2 stitches now. And chain 1 and turn your piece and make 2 single crochets across the 2 stitches. Then we're going to chain 1 and decrease across the 2 stitches. So now you should only have 1. And from there, chain 20. Once you're done, cut the yarn and fasten off. We're going to do the other side now. With the same yarn, make a slip knot and attach it to the other end of your headband. We're going to do the same thing, so make 4 single crochets across, This is going to make it easier for us to do the decreases in the next row. Then chain 1 and turn the piece and make 2 decreases across the 4 stitches. Then chain 1, turn the piece and make 2 single crochets. Chain 1 and decrease in the next 2 stitches. Then we're going to make 20 chain stitches. Cut the yarn fast enough and hide any tails in the headband. Don't worry about the tails at the end of the chains because they will be hidden by your hair. You can just trim them to be a little shorter. And that's it for the first design. The second design is very similar, but we're going to use the granite stitch. Start with 6 chain stitches. Then in the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet. Here's where things get just a little bit trickier. You're going to chain 1, then you're going to skip the chain below and single crochet in the next chain. Now we're going to do the same thing again, so chain 1, skip a chain, then single crochet in the next chain. So you should have a gap between the 2 single crochets. Now you're going to chain 1, turn the piece, you're going to single crochet into the first gap, then you're going to chain 1 and skip the single crochet of the row before, and you're going to single crochet into the next gap. We're going to do that one more time, so make a chain stitch, then skip the single crochet from the row below, and then you're going to single crochet in the last gap. It's okay if the gaps are hard to locate at first, but you'll get used to it. And we're going to repeat that same row for about 50 to 60 rows depending on the size of your head. Okay, now that you're done with all the rows, we're going to do the same thing that we did with the other design. So single crochet 4 across. It might be a little hard to locate where to put everything, but just try your best to make sure you end up with 4 single crochet. Once you have a solid 4 single crochet, you're going to chain 1 and turn the piece, and we're going to do the same thing as the other design. Decrease across the 4 stitches. And now you should have 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your piece, and now you're going to do 2 single crochets across the stitches. 1, 2. Now I'm going to chain 1 again and do 1 decrease across the 2 stitches. And now all you have to do is chain 20 or make it as long as you want so that you can tie it around your head. So cut and fasten off, and now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Make a slip knot, and now we're going to do 4 single crochets on the other side. Again, this might be a little difficult, but just trust the process, and as long as you end up with 4 single crochets in a row, you should be fine. And now we're going to do the exact same thing we did on the other side, so make 2 decreases across the row. Then you're going to chain 1 and do 2 single crochets. Chain 1 and do a decrease. Then you're going to chain 20 or however long you did it on the other side. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Then hide the tails away in the headband with your needle. Put up your hair in a ponytail so it doesn't get stuck. Then you're going to lay the headband on top of your head with the 2 ends underneath your hair. Then tie a knot with the 2 ends so that it fits on your head. Then you can pull out your hair and adjust as needed. To make your own design, find a stitch that you really like and just make a narrow strip of that stitch. Then the rest of the pattern should be the same thing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you made the headband, make sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see your finished results. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.